It's not even an official visit. It's a state visit, very rare in American standards. And this is the highest honor that we can have. And we as Kenyans appreciate and should appreciate that the benefits that we have already elucidated are going to help us in the long run. So yes, you may say this and that with regards to the costs, but in my humble submission, as the government spokesman, the benefits far outweigh the costs. However, the government has put in place measures to reduce international travel, and there is now a system where, through the head of public service, Felix Koskei, there are approvals that have to be made and costs that are attendant. Even myself, if I want to travel, I must demonstrate where there is money and the reason for travel. Plans are also underway to establish 84,000 acres of pyrethrum by the year 2027-2028 and to stabilize future production to ensure sustainable supply of pyrethrum products in the world market. Kenya has published the Finance Bill 2024, which is aimed at amending the laws relating to various taxes and duties to stimulate growth and investment in the country. The proposals, which are now open for public participation, include increases of allowable pension deductions from Kenya shillings 20,000 to 30,000 per month, amendment of the income tax to provide for advanced pricing agreements, which will bring greater certainty with respect to tax outcomes of international transactions, revision of the window for remitting excise duty collaborations and collections.